Guess what I'm holding? Well, if you're guessing a plain package with no label, you're right. But if you're also guessing a backpack with a USB charging port and many other features, you're also right. Let's check it out. Hey everyone, this is Kent, and today I'll be reviewing and unboxing, or should I say unbagging, a backpack I recently purchased. But not just any backpack. This one has a USB charging port interface built in the bag where you can add your own power bank and charge your devices from the outside. Also, stick around to the end of the video for details on a giveaway. Okay, this backpack is available at papow.com. As you can see, it is listed as smart backpack with USB charging and anti-theft shoulder strap. Comes in many colors: black, deep blue, gray, pink, purple, sky blue, blue black, dark gray, gray blue, and gray purple. Some of the features it lists are integrated USB charging port. Note the power bank is not included. Reflected strip on front, hidden zippers, cut-proof material, etc. As you can see, some of the pictures illustrate some of its other features, like there's quite a few compartments where you can store laptop, tablet, your phone, books, a camera, and lens, etc. It also illustrates many of its features, its dimensions, its S-type shoulder strap, ergonomic design, its breathable mesh fabric, etc. So there's lots of information on here. And I'm very excited to open this package up and check this bad boy out. Okay, now it's time to open the bag. As you can see, it's already open. Unfortunately, I lost the footage of me actually opening the bag, so we're gonna take it from there. All right, excuse the technical difficulty. So, first bag's open. Okay, now it comes in this other plastic bag. So it's a pretty heavy duty bag, which is great. Second bag is open. So now let's get into the good part. Okay, at first glance, I love the way it looks. This gray is really stylish, and it's actually, the material is very nice. So I'm very impressed with the first glance here. So opening it up, we have, so there's that little pocket there, and I feel something in there. So let me just check that out. Oh, and look at this. Okay, we got a little free gift here, a little free keychain that says forever with a heart. So that's kind of cute. So I'll put that aside and zip that back up, and let's take a look here. So, actually, I'm very happy with the size of this. I was worried it was going to be too big and bulky, but it's a nice size, not too big. So I'm actually quite happy with the size. This is exactly what I was looking for. And looking around the side, the stitching looks really nice. And again, everything looks like it's very good quality. So I'm really happy with that. So there's the charging port. And we'll have to test that out later. So the charging port there is there. So let's open the bag up. And there's the zippers. So here we go. I'm gonna move this out of the way. This out of the way. And, oh, we got some Velcro. And bam, the bag's open. All right, so we got a couple pockets here. This one would definitely fit a laptop, and this would be good for a tablet. So those are pretty cool. And looking inside, we have some more pockets. A zipper pocket right here, and I don't know if you can see that. So we can put some stuff in there, keys, change, whatever you want. There's a little envelope pocket there. We have two other pockets right in here that you can put some phones or whatnots in there. perhaps bottled water in one. And here is the USB cord that hooks up to the USB port interface. So we should have a little pocket here for the power bank, which is right here. All right, so let's see how big this pocket is. I have a couple of power banks here, one big one and one small one. So let's see, obviously the small one's gonna fit. So if I just plug this in here, this should fit with no problem. The cord is quite large, so you could actually put this power bank in. If you had a bigger power bank, you could probably put it in a pocket there because this cord can go anywhere. It could probably zip up in there, right in there if need be. But I believe it goes into the side pocket. So if I put it in this side pocket, I will just zip it up. And that obviously works no problem. So when you zip that up, everything works fine. So let's see if this big one fits. We'll pull out the small one, unplug it, put it aside, and plug in this big one. So let's see if I can, it is quite big, this power bank, so I don't know if it'll fit. Oh, it fits. Hey. Yep, this one fits, no problem. And I will zip it up. It's tight, but it fits. All zipped up. So there you go. It's all zipped up. So now I'm gonna look for something to test this USB charging port on. And we'll try that out, and then we'll try it on and see what it looks like. But so far I'm very impressed with the quality, and be right back. Okay, we're gonna test to see if this works. And what I'm gonna do is plug this in. And bam, yes, it starts charging. So, yep, my tablet says it is charging. So everything works fine with that USB charging port. Overall, I am very pleased with this backpack. It is stylish, comfortable, and good quality. It is made very well. And the USB charging port is really, really cool. It really sets it apart from other backpacks. Having said all that, I would definitely recommend this backpack, so much so that I'm giving away a $35 discount code that can be used to purchase this backpack on papow.com. The first 25 people that post a comment below and subscribe will be put into a draw. More details and rules are in the description below. And let me know in the comments what you think of this backpack and if you like any other smart wearables. If you like this video, please give it a like, and there will be more giveaways in future videos, so please subscribe and click the bell to get notified when I post new videos. Thank you very much for watching.